Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue date and time not displaying properly. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select general. Under general, select date and time. So here you can see set automatically. Right now that option is off. If this is off, iPhone won't fetch date and time from internet. So we have to turn on this option. Tap here and turn on set automatically. So once we turn on, iPhone will automatically fetch current date and time from internet and set. So that way we can fix this issue date and time not displaying properly. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.